The iCarsoft i800 Plus OBD2 Scanner is an essential tool for diagnosing engine issues, providing comprehensive insights and repair advice to keep your vehicle in top condition. With its powerful OBD2 functions, this scanner performs extensive diagnostics, reads and erases codes, and conducts various system tests to ensure optimal fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It offers access to 118 live data points, enabling real-time monitoring of crucial car systems, which helps in identifying potential problems and maintaining vehicle health. The scanner also includes a battery charging system check feature that visually displays battery voltage, helping prevent potential electrical issues and vehicle start failures. Designed for ease of use, the iCarsoft i800 Plus allows for quick error code clearing, saving time and money on routine maintenance by identifying faults efficiently. Users benefit from lifetime free updates and hardware repairs, making this scanner a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced technicians.